Hello, my name is Ron Ippolito. I am the CADA Area E Coordinator. I also teach leadership, video production, and history here at Rio Norte Junior High School in Santa Clarita, California. I want to welcome you to the CADA Area E 2018 Student Leadership Conference. Welcome to sunny Area E, City of Angels, Land of Dreams. I want to go over a few things with you to help you better navigate and understand what's going to be happening on your big day on Monday, October 15th, 2018 at the Pasadena Convention Center. First of all, one of the first questions I've gotten is about food. So let's eat. The Pasadena Convention Center provides us with donuts and juice service in the morning. The donut and juice service will be available starting in the plaza area, that's the outdoor area, where all the students will be gathering from 8 to 8:30 a.m. And then at 12:30 p.m., a turkey sandwich box lunch is provided. If you have any dietary restrictions, please let the catering captain know. The catering captain is located at the end of the turkey sandwich tables, and they can assist you. Also, water stations are provided throughout the conference. But if you think you'll be hungry during workshop time, if you kind of need to eat throughout the day, then you're encouraged to bring a snack or two. You're welcome to eat during the conference and bring your own snack if you'd like. All right, so since we're talking about food, we're going to talk about Starbucks, and I want to tell you the deal with Starbucks. So there is a small Starbucks on the property, but there is no way that they could handle the volume of business that over 2,800 teenagers would provide. And waiting to be served in a small Starbucks would also mean that hundreds of students would be arriving to workshops late, and you would be arriving late with a Starbucks, which is the worst way to ever arrive to school late or arrive to a meeting late, is to have a Starbucks in your hand and walk in late. That's horrible. You never want to do that. Therefore, just so you know, the heads up, we do have our own Starbucks security who will be enforcing our no Starbucks rule during workshop time. So thank you for understanding that. And of course, you can always get Starbucks when you get home, so no Starbucks at the conference center. We also encourage you to act like a leader. So students are expected to conduct themselves as leaders. This is a leadership conference, and you are a student leader. This means throughout the conference, you will attend every session. You will listen, take notes, and ask great questions when it's appropriate. You will get crazy, get loud, get rowdy, and excited when your speaker or presenter is encouraging you to do that. And otherwise, you're going to be polite, respectful, and a great listener the rest of the time. This also means that you're going to stay on the Pasadena Convention Center property at all times. You would never leave for any reason. You need to stay on the property at all times. And please, we ask that you follow the instructions of all of our CADA volunteers and conference staff. Finally, we do ask that you attend your ticketed sessions only. Here's the thing. So this is the biggest Area E conference ever in the history of the Area E conference. We have over 2,800 students, which means every session is going to be full. So you need to make sure that you only attend your ticketed session. If you have a question about your ticket, or if you accidentally got like 2 sessions of the same kind of session, then you can check in the registration table and we can help you out. But otherwise, we do need for you to attend your ticketed session only. We also need for you to make room for everyone in each session to have a seat. So please don't save seats or leave seats empty next to you. We just ask that you slide all the way over and fill in all available seats. That way everyone can enjoy the conference. We ask you to have an open mind. We ask you to meet new people and make new connections and listen to all the great ideas you hear from both students and adults, because you're going to hear some great ideas at the conference. And then finally, so there's this author, his name is Simon Sinek, and he wrote a book and did a TED Talk on YouTube called Start With Why. And I know we're ending with why, but as you attend the conference, as you go into the conference, I want you to start with why and think of the question, why are you coming to this leadership conference? And I think if you start the conference by thinking about why you're there, then I think that will really help to frame what you're going to get out of the conference. So why are you going? Hopefully you're going maybe to bring some new ideas back to your school, maybe some new activity ideas to get more students involved. Maybe that's one of your goals, is to make sure that you have as many kids as possible, especially those kids who maybe aren't that connected to the culture of your school. Get them connected, get them involved. How are you going to better appreciate and reach out to not only the students, but the staff members of your school as well? So when you go into it with the right idea, I'm gonna make my school a better place, and I'm gonna make myself a better leader. When you start with why, and really reflect and think about why you're there and how to make the most out of your day, you're gonna have an awesome experience both for you, and you're gonna make that experience awesome for everybody from your school and for everybody else at the conference. Make a lot of great connections, maybe make some new friends along the way. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in Pasadena on Monday, October 15th for the CADA Area E Student Leadership Conference. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.